With only 3 ingredients, you will make the most delicious cheese balls. You don't have to boil potatoes for these balls. They're super easy to make and very delicious. You should try them. First, we need 500 grams of mozzarella cheese. Use real mozzarella cheese, not the one with vegetable fats. Break 2 eggs. Mix a little bit, then add the eggs to the cheese. Add 3 heaped tablespoons of cornstarch, a sprinkle of salt depending on the saltiness of the cheese. Mix all the ingredients together until they're fully mixed like this. You need to reach this texture so the balls will shape easily with you. Start by shaping small balls. Try to make them equal in size so they will take the golden color in the oil at the same time. On a parchment paper, freeze the balls for 30 minutes. Now they're cold and ready to be fried. Put the cheese balls inside the hot oil and let them fry until they take a golden color. Let them fry in the oil until they take a full golden color like this. Now remove the balls, put it on some paper to absorb the oil and serve them directly. Enjoy these delicious cheese balls. They're very easy to make and they're very delicious. Try them and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.